friends, I am Dr. Sheetal Kotode from Shri Amba Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center from Amravati. Today I am sharing some points on how to disinfect our hospital in this corona pandemic. How to do surface and environmental cleaning to avoid spread through direct contact, aerosol spread or through contaminated surface and objects. We all know that novel coronavirus survives for a varied period of time of 2 to 3 days on surface. But it can be easily disinfected with chemical disinfectants like sodium hypochlorite, 70% alcohol, soap and water, etc. So let's begin. At entrance of your hospital, we can keep a bucket of 1% hypochlorite solution or soap water. Ask every visitor in hospital, including your staff, pharmacist, lab technician, doctors, patients and relatives, to wash your hands and foot before entering in hospital premises. Maintain social distancing at least 1 meter distance. In reception area, make arrangement of chairs such as there will be maximum distance in between two persons. Keep some chairs or table in front of nursing counter, reception counter and doctor's table. It will automatically maintain the social distancing. Allow only patient to sit in reception area. If needed, you can allow only one relative along with the patient to avoid crowding. Same protocol should be followed in indoor. Allow only one relative to stay with the patient, thus decreasing the people load in institute. Make compulsory each and every person in your hospital premises to wear a mask. Before entering your chamber, ask patient to wash his or her hand with soap and water or 70% alcohol. Arrangement should be done accordingly. हँड सॅनिटायझेशनची सुविधा मेनली एंट्रीला, पेशंटच्या बेड शेजारी, इंडोर मध्ये आणि जास्तीत जास्त वापराच्या ठिकाणी असली पाहिजे. सो टू स्टार्ट द क्लिनिंग, फर्स्ट आस्क आवर स्टाफ to wear PPE that include minimum of gloves which should be heavy duty, rubber boots, cap and triple layer mask. If possible, ask your staff to wear complete PPE. And raincoats are the cheaper substitute for this PPE. Do cleaning from cleaner to dirtier area. Patient having communicable disease, that room should be cleaned last. It is important to know that all our hospital campus, including corridors, open spaces, rooms, doctor chambers, reception area, waiting area should be cleaned every evening after our OPD or in morning before routine gets started. If surface is dirty, it should be cleaned with soap and water before disinfection. सर्व हॉस्पिटल प्रिमायसेस, जिने, जिन्याचे रेलिंग्स, लिफ्टची बटन, कॉरिडॉर्स, सिक्युरिटी गार्ड बूथ, चेंजिंग रूम, डॉक्टर्स चेंबर, ड्रेसिंग रूम, पेशंट्स रूम, वेटिंग रिसेप्शन एरिया, ओटी, लेबर रूम, टॉयलेट्स हे सर्व 1% सोडियम हायपोक्लोराईटनी क्लीन करा. मॉपिंग आणि स्प्रेइंग दोन्ही. ज्या गोष्टींना जास्तीत जास्त टच होत असेल, जसे की टेलिफोन, जिन्याचे रेलिंग्स, कॉल बटन, लिफ्ट बटन, प्रिंटर, स्कॅनर, रिसेप्शन अँड नर्सिंग काउंटर, टेबल टॉप, खुर्च्यांचे हँडल, या सर्व गोष्टी दिवसातून 2दा तरी 1% हायपोक्लोराईटनी मॉप करा. आता सगळ्यात महत्वाचं म्हणजे ज्या गोष्टी हायपोक्लोराईटनी स्वच्छ करू शकत नाहीत, जशा की मेटल हँडल्स, दरवाजाचे नॉब, लॉक्स, कीज, इलेक्ट्रिक बटन्स, टॉयलेट टॅप, हे तुम्ही 70% अल्कोहोलनी क्लीन करू शकता. तर सर्व गोष्टी 1% हायपोक्लोराईटनी आणि फक्त मेटलच्या गोष्टी ह्या 70% अल्कोहोलनी. खूपच सोपं. it is utmost important to clean your routine instruments in OPD and IPD. Disinfect all hospital equipments like stethoscope, BP apparatus, thermometer, pulse oximeter with 70% alcohol after each use in OPD and IPD. Each time after examination, clean your examination table and chair in OPD chamber and IPD with 70% alcohol or 1% hypochlorite. After every operation and delivery room OT should be cleaned thoroughly. OT table, labor table, IV stands should be cleaned after every case and in between the case with 70% alcohol. OT table, labor table, floor, walls, suction apparatus should be cleaned daily with 1% hypochlorite. AC should be cleaned at frequent intervals. All machinery including cautery, ventilator, boils, multipara monitor, BP apparatus, ECG, thermometer, glucometer, nebulizer, telephone, etc. should be cleaned with 70% alcohol. Dressing trolley, steel tray, oxygen flow meter, suction apparatus, refrigerator, patient trolley, wheelchair, IV stand, light, fans, bedpan, etc. should be cleaned with soap and water. All plastic items like ambu bag, oxygen tubings, mask, suction tubings, nebulization set are put in 1% hypochlorite solution for 30 minutes and then sterilized by formalin gas or ETO. Cleaning of all rooms including mattress, bed, door knobs, everything should be cleaned after discharge of the patient. Keep disinfectant hand rub in each bed. Laundry cleaning. All soiled linen washed separately from unsoiled one. Soiled linen collected in separate leak-proof covered container. Linen is soaked in hot water and soap, then wash the clothes. Then linen soaked in 1% hypochlorite solution for 30 minutes. Rinse the clothes with clean water and then dry it in the sunlight. All surgical instruments, soak all the instrument in 5% hypochlorite solution with soap and water for 30 minutes, then clean it, dry it and then autoclave. Toilet cleaning should be done at least twice a day with scrubber and brush with soap and water and 1% hypochlorite solution. Don't disinfect by spraying the toilets as it may create splashes which can further spread viruses. After cleaning, remove your gloves and do proper hand washing. Discard all material of disposable cleaning in proper medical waste. You all know hand washing should be done before and after duty, before each invasive procedure, before and after using gloves, after touching of blood and body fluids, before and after touching patients and nursing the patient, after toileting and urination, and before eating and drinking. Thank you. Now, I will tell you how to prepare 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. It is very important to prepare fresh hypochlorite solution every time before use. This is ready-made sodium hypochlorite solution available in market, present in different concentration, 3.5%, 5%, 10%, which is written on the box. If it is 5%, then you have to take 1 part of sodium hypochlorite and 4 part of water, that is 250 ml of 5% sodium hypochlorite and 1 liter of water. Mix it well and you will get 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Nowadays, it is little bit difficult to get sodium hypochlorite solution in the market easily due to increase in demand. So we can prepare it from bleaching powder also, which is readily available at hardware store or medical store. Before making 1% hypochlorite solution, you have to check available chlorine percent in the bleaching powder, which is 30% or 70%. For 30% bleaching powder, we have to take 33 grams and for 70% we have to take 7 grams of bleaching powder. Then add this bleaching powder to 1 liter of water. Stir it well till it gets completely dissolved and you will get sodium hypochlorite solution. This technique you can teach to your hospital paramedic staff and be safe in this COVID pandemic. Thank you.